Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question. Keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your payout schedule in Stripe? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the payout schedule in Stripe anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you run into a cash crunch, so you want to be sure to change the payout schedule in your Stripe. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change your payout schedule from Stripe into your bank account, there's actually two different ways you can get to it. The first and easiest way is here on the search bar. Just click in here and type in bank. Once you do that, look for this line right here called Settings, Business, Bank Accounts, and Currencies. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you right to that location, and you want to look for this one called Payout Schedule. The other way you can get to it is click on the gear icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you want to click here on Business. Once you click on Business, up here on this menu, click on Bank Accounts and Currencies. Okay, once you click there, here on the Payout Schedule, you can choose Manual Payouts, or if you want to do automatic payments, you can choose either weekly, daily, or monthly, and then you get to choose when you want that to be paid out. Once you've chosen the payout schedule for your Stripe, over here on the right, click on Save. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the payout schedule for your Stripe account into your bank account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.